Evening. It is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to all present here for today's CPE program on Code of Ethics. We are honored to have with us CA Revati S. Raghunathan ma'am, Chairperson of SIRC of ICAI, CA Dr. Abhishek Murli, Regional Council Member of SIRC of ICAI, and CA T Kuthalingam sir, our distinguished speaker. I kindly invite all of you to take this stage. So before we begin our program, I request members to rise up for our ICAI motto song.
य एषः सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एषः सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः निर्मिमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यति कश्चन एतद्द्वैता 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 एतद्द्वैता.
Thank you. I now request CA Revati S. Raghunathan ma'am, Chairperson of SIRC of ICAI, to welcome address our gathering.
Yeah, a very warm good evening to everyone. It's actually a very pleasant period in Chennai to have these meetings and especially to have a meeting on Code of Ethics to be addressed by KTK sir, as he is very fondly known, Kuthalingam sir. He comes from Hosur, and I could not think of a better person to actually do this session, and I think, sir, that this session has garnered a lot of interest. One, maybe because of your innovative way of taking this session, and of course we also have to be realistic and accept that this is also one of the mandatory sessions for the CPE requirements, and we are at the fag end of the year. But having said that, we all know that Code of Ethics is a mandatory CPE session for which all of us have to attend, and I think that making it mandatory is one of the most important, decisions which the council has taken, because from the Code of Ethics flows the disciplinary mechanism. And if you see, the disciplinary mechanism is a very, very harsh mechanism to regulate the members. I always say that, there are so many regulators around us who are looking over our shoulders, and we always have to be very alert that we are in no way actually impinging or doing something which the where the regulators go on alert, their antenna perks up, which in turn results in some kind of a notice for us. And if you all notice, our disciplinary mechanism, you pay 2,500 rupees on the website. You can file a disciplinary complaint against any member. It need not be a genuine case. It need not be a genuine transgression also by the members, because most of the cases are absolutely, some things which are done by members in good faith, or it may be something which someone wants to take out something on you, some kind of a vengeance on you. And I know that this as a fact, and this is done across all regulators, not only in ICAI but also across all regulators. Like if you go to SEBI, you go to CS Institute, you go to IBBI, it's very easy to make a complaint. It's always that you cast an aspersion on a person, and then the law has to take its course. So that way, if you see, if you know what the Code of Ethics are, And you know that if you don't follow your code of ethics, some of them look very simple. And you think, okay, I am actually complying with this. But there may be something minor which you have done. And that minor is noticed by someone and it is utilized by them to actually ensure that they throw thorns in your path, and that they want to ensure that you're not successful in whatever you do. And I'm telling you this out of having garnered this kind of knowledge and experience from people. So what we should actually do is attend these sessions and ensure that we are always aware of the regulators who are looking at us over our shoulders, one. And two, do not get annoyed by the fact that you have so many things to comply with. Okay, it's always better that we comply with whatever the regulators expect. One, it is all for our own good, for our own professional success, I would say, because the moment you comply with any of these regulatory things, then what happens is you're actually within the boundaries of the law. You're not actually transgressing something knowingly or unknowingly. Like we have, whenever we tell some shloka, we'll say Thirinjum Theriyamaliyum Seida Ella Kutrangalayum. And the madri all these prayers which we have to do to the regulators. But Theriyamaliyum Pannalum, Thirinji Pannalum, a regulator, if somebody wants to do something against you, many of us do many things unknowingly, many things in good faith, many things you'll do to oblige a very good friend. And you can't go back and say, no, this person, I've known him for 30 years, I don't think that he will do. But there will be somebody who is against him and who wants to get at at him through you, or you through him. There are so many ways in which it is actually done. So I'm actually very happy that we have 200 plus registrations today. And like I told you, we have KTK sir, who's approaching this entire thing in a very different manner. And when I told him, sir, there are around 200 registrations, maybe not 200 people will come, but definitely there will be quite a number of people attending. He does games and he gives out prizes. It's not like he's not going to do one one PPT and explain everything to us. His method of actually going through the code of ethics is through some games and some quizzes where he engages with the audience and makes the topic also extremely inviting. So I think, sir, that today you're going to reach out to all the people over here and nobody is going to forget what is going to happen. And hence you're going to give them the comfort of, yes, I am actually complying with whatever the regulator, the ICAI is expecting of me. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invite. More about KTK, sir, my friend Abhishek Murli, Regional Council member, who has come today to attend this session by KTK, sir. He will be telling us. Thank you very much, Abhishek. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I now invite CA Dr. Abhishek Murli, sir, a Regional Council member of SIRC of ICAI, to kindly welcome the speaker and address the gathering.
A very, very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. CA Revati Raghunathan, Chairperson. The speaker for the day, CA T Kuthalingam, sir, from Hosur. My dear members and friends who have joined for this important session on Code of Ethics. I think one thing Revati ma'am got wrong is that I think it's no longer mandatory. Code of Ethics was made mandatory a couple of years ago, but last year it was reversed. But still, despite that, we have a very good attendance, which is something to be appreciated. So I'm very glad that a huge turnout is here. Because jocularly people say ethics is forgotten. Otherwise, when we take Caro, we copy paste the same Caro what was there last year, see what changes are there. When it comes to working papers, copy paste and see what is the change. But ethics is constantly evolving, as they say. We have to move with the times. There's a man who had gone to his friend's house for dinner. And, when he was sitting and having dinner, his friend's wife had cooked the dinner. So that fellow is telling his wife, what is this? There's not enough salt in this. This one is too spicy, like that his friend is saying. Then after dinner, his friend counsels him. He says, see, what is this reaction? Great hard work, efforts. She's gone to office, she's come back, she spent time, she's cooked for me also, but you're only finding faults. That's not very nice of you. You should learn to be more praising. You should always, take positively. He says, okay. So next day, his wife, again, he comes home. She serves dinner. He says, oh my God, today the rice is spectacular, too good. Wife got irritated. Then he is having the sambar. He says, oh my God, this is the perfect, this level of salt and all, never I have had in my life, which is the best thing. Wife got more irritated. Then he put the vegetables. He said, this is heavenly, this is the best thing, I am never going to eat anything else. The wife leaves the house and goes. Then he finds out what happened. Because that day his wife did not cook, they took from the neighbor's house and they gave it. So sometimes this copy pasting the answer cannot work. You have to think and do. When it comes to ethics, it's the same. And for that, I must say, we need a person who is more interactive, someone who has a wide array of experience. And through that, we have CA Kuthalingam sir. And I will share his profile as shared by him. He's a graduate in commerce from Madurai Kamaraj University, a fellow member of the ICAI. He is a practicing chartered accountant for more than 40 years. And he has completed various courses at the CA Institute, PMLA, Insolvency, IPR, and has been a peer reviewer with the Institute for a very long time. He is a member in various associations outside of the Institute as well, and was a co-opted member in various committees in the SIRC. He is also an external member of the MSME committee of the Dharmapuri zone of Indian Bank and does audits of various corporates, non-corporates and individuals as well. He is a regular speaker in various seminars in Hosur, Madurai, Sivagasi, Salem, etc. And he is also a person who hails from Tenkasi district of Tamil Nadu. His wife is also an investment manager. His son is also foreign educated, also an investment manager. But one thing which, as an active Rotarian myself, I am currently taking over as an assistant governor. And what I can share about Kuthalingam sir, I know him from CA circles before, but when I am getting more active in Rotary, I hear a lot more about him and his contributions there. He's a very, very active Rotarian and he's been an active member since 1988. He has held various positions in the district 2980. We have various districts in Rotary, and he has taken care of more than 12 revenue districts in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. So he is a recipient of the Regional Service Award for a polio-free world. As you know, Rotary was a key element in eliminating polio. He was one of the pioneers in spreading this initiative as part of Rotary. He is really a very, very dynamic person, very interesting personality. And thank you very much, Kuthalingam sir, for taking time out of your busy schedule to be here. We are all eagerly awaiting your session. And thank you very much to all for attending such large numbers for this important meeting. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, the office staff as well. Over to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your thoughtful words. To honor his presence with us today, I now request our chairperson, CA Revati S. Raghunathan ma'am, to kindly present a memento to CA T Kuthalingam sir. Thank you, ma'am. I now invite T Kuthalingam sir to kindly take over the session.
I am ready. Are you all ready? I want people at the back to come to the front. I am too old to walk the entire distance. Okay, please come. Please come to the front. Please. Please. And people who are sitting in the last and more, if it is senior, you will not see the screen after some time. I am not going to start unless the first 3 rows are filled up. நம்ம சிஏ ப்ரொஃபஷனில் பாதி பேருக்கு என்ன பிரச்சனை தெரியுமா? முன்னால் வர்றதுக்கு தான் பயப்படுறோம். ஆரம்பத்தில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணையில் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்டில் இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறோம். எங்கேயோ ஒரு இடத்துல ஸ்டக் ஆச்சுன்னா, மேடம் யூ ஹேவ் டு கம் டு த ஃப்ரெண்ட். ஆல் பீப்புள் அட் த லாஸ்ட் ரோ ப்ளீஸ் கம் டு த ஃப்ரெண்ட். நானும் சென்னையில் தான் ஆர்டிகல்ஸ் பண்ணேன். ஸோ உங்கள் சைக்காலஜி எனக்கும் தெரியும். நம்ம அடுத்தவங்களை குறை சொல்லுவோம், ஆனால் நம்ம முன்னால் லீட் பண்ண மாட்டோம். Still one more chance, please come to the front. ஓகே, பின்னால் இருக்கவங்க ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி லூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, அப்புறம் என்ன குறை சொல்லக்கூடாது. Friends, at the outset I thank our SIRC chair Revati and Abhishek for giving me an opportunity. Abhishek for introducing me also. இப்போ நான் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு வரவா இல்லை கதை சொல்லவா? ஆஸ் யூ விஷ். சரி, எது பண்ணாலும் நீங்கள் என் கூட இருக்கிறீங்களா? இட் வில் பி பார்ட்டிசிபேட்டிவ். நான் ஒன் வே லெக்சர். 1 hour we'll have a discussion followed by another 1.5 hours game. இந்த 1 ஹவருக்கு தயவு செய்து உங்கள் மொபைல் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க. நோ சவுண்டு, நோ நாய்ஸ், நாட் சீயிங் தி மொபைல். Anyone seeing the mobile I saw, you will not be participating in the next 1.5 hours game. Okay? There will be 3 games and there will be 3 prizes for each game. Totally 9 people are going to get the prize. Is it correct? Who is going to win? Who wants to win? Yes, only one person. Okay, right, 2. Okay. நமக்கு கோட் ஆஃப் எத்திக்ஸ் தேவையா தேவையில்லையா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேள்வி. ஐ வாண்ட் ஆன்சர். வேண்டாம். சரி, வேணும்னு சொல்கிறவங்க யார்? ரைட், ஓகே. இப்போ வேண்டாம்னு சொல்கிறவங்களுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்டோரி தான் சொல்கிறேன், ரியல் ஸ்டோரி. ஒருத்தர் வந்து மினரல் வாட்டர் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அவர் பியூரிஃபைடு வாட்டர் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டர். அவர் கடைக்கு ஒருத்தர் வராரு, ஃபோனில் ஆர்டர் பண்ணுறாரு, இந்த மாதிரி எங்கள் வீட்டில் கல்யாணம் இருக்குது, எனக்கு 5000 கேனு வாட்டர் கேன்ஸ், நாட் 25 லிட்டர்ஸ் வேணும், எனக்கு இந்த டேட்டில் மேரேஜ், இங்கே வந்து டெலிவர் பண்ண முடியுமான்னாரு. ஃபஸ்ட் ஈ செட் ஐ வில் டெலிவர், தேர் இஸ் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். தென் அவருக்கு ஒரு க்யூரியாசிட்டியில் ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்டார். 5000 லிட்டர் கேட்குறீங்களே, 5000 கேன்ஸ் கேட்குறீங்களே, அது ஏன் அப்படின்னு கேட்டார். என் மேரேஜ் ரொம்ப பெருசுங்க அப்படின்னாங்க. மேரேஜ் ரொம்ப பெருசுன்னா எத்தனை பேர் வருவாங்க அப்படின்னாங்க. ஒரு 2500 பேர் வருவாங்கன்னு. அவர் சொன்னார், 2500 பேருக்கு 5000 கேன் தேவையில்லை, நீங்கள் வேணும்னா நான் சப்ளை பண்ணுறேன், தென் இயர் ரெடியூஸ் ஒரு 250 to 300 கேன்ஸ் போதும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவர் அனுப்பிச்சார். அவர் போனோடனே கூட பக்கத்தில் இருந்தவர் ஒரு சார்ட் அக்கௌண்ட். அவர் கேட்டார், என்னையா நீ இவ்வளோ முட்டாளாக இருக்கிற, இவ்வளோ பெரிய ஆர்டர் வருது, ஆர்டரை விட்டுறா, ஃபைனான்சியலி வர போவார் அப்படின்னாரு. அப்போ அவர் சொன்னாரா, அது இல்லைங்க, என்னை நம்பி ஆர்டர் கொடுக்குறாங்க, அவங்க காசு வீணாகக்கூடாது, தண்ணி வீணாகக்கூடாது. 2 ரீசன். அவங்க பணத்தை கொடுத்து திருப்பி போச்சுன்னா அந்த கேனை ஒன்று வெளியே போடணும், இல்லை எனக்கு திருப்பி வரணும். போத் ஆர் நாட் கரெக்டு. நம்ம தொழிலில் என்ன இருக்கணும்? என்ன இருக்கணும்? நியாயம், எத்திக்ஸு. ஸோ ஒரு வாட்டர் சப்ளை பண்ணுறவருக்கு எத்திக்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா நமக்கு வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? இன்னும் சத்தம். அதெல்லாம் பின்னால் இருக்கவங்கள முன்னால் வர சொன்னேன். ஓகே, ஸோ எத்திக்ஸுங்கிறது அவசியம்தான். தப்பி தவறி மனசில் எங்கேயாவது ஒரு பக்கத்தில் இருந்ததுன்னா அதை நம்ம வெளியே போட்டுருவோம். சரி தானே? ரைட்டு. எத்திக்ஸு கூட எது போட்டி போடும்? எத்திக்ஸ் கூட எது போட்டி போடும்? எத்திக்ஸை ஏன் வேண்டான்னு நினைக்கிறோம்? கிரீடு. ஸ்க்ரீனை பார்த்தே பேசலாம், தப்பு இல்லை. ஸ்க்ரீன் நமக்கு எத்திக்ஸ்க்கும் எக்கனாமிக்கும் ஃபைட்டு. ஹூ வில் வின்? எக்கனாமி வின் பண்ணுறவங்களாம் கையை தூக்குங்க. ஓகே, நீங்கள்லாம் அம்பேத்கர் கூட ஒன்றா இருக்கிறீங்க. அம்பேத்கர் செட் எக்கனாமி வில் ஒன்லி வின், நாட் எத்திக்ஸ். பிகாஸ் என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டேங்க, என்ஜாய் பண்ணதை விட்டு கொடுக்க மனசு வராது. You enjoyed the economy, so you will never leave it. So vested interests never allow ethics to survive. Okay, but we are fighting, right? We are on the other. Who are all saying ethics will win? You are all true chartered accountants. They raise your hands. Give them a big hand. இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் கிடைக்கல எனக்கு என்ன வந்து ஒரு அரை நூற்றாண்டு பின்னால் போகிறேன். half a century ago, I was a student in a college. I was participating in an elocution competition. It was conducted by Vivekananda Kendra. That time I stood first. தமிழ் எலக்யூஷன் காம்படிஷனில் ஃபஸ்ட்டாக இருந்தேன் ஸ்டேட் லெவலில். அப்போ நான் பேசின ஒரு டைலாக் தான் இப்போவும் ஞாபகம் வருது. இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு ரெலவெண்ட்னால உங்கள்கிட்டையும் நான் அதை ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அன்று பேரறிஞர் அண்ணா அவர்கள் கூறினார், கடமை, கண்ணியம், கட்டுப்பாடு. கடமை, இதை நாம் காண்பது என்ன? கடமை. அதை பற்றி பேசுவது மடமை. கட்டுப்பாடு, அதற்கு இங்கே தட்டுப்பாடு. கண்ணியம், யாரோ ஒரு சிலர் எடுத்து ஒளிந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் புண்ணியம். கரெக்டு தானே? அந்த புண்ணியம் பண்ணுறவங்க யார்? Who are those people? We are the people. Let us be proud. Relative to any other profession, we follow the ethics. I'll give you another example. You go to a doctor, what you are expecting? You go to a hospital, what you are expecting? ட்ரீட்மெண்ட். என்ன ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டு? உங்களுக்கு தேவையான ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டு, சரியான காசில் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டு, சரியான மருந்து தான் கொடுக்கணும். இன்றைக்கி உங்களை திருப்திப்படுத்தி நாளைக்கு கவுண்டர் ரியாக்ஷன் வரக்கூடாது இல்லையா? இதை எதிர்பார்த்து தானே போகிறோம். இது எதாவது அங்கே இருக்குதா? இருக்குதுன்னு நம்பி தானே போகிறோம். சேம் இஸ் தி கேஸ் வித் clients are believing us. As a financial doctor, what we should do? Right solution. Our practice should be ethical. Right? So when we started this ethics, the time we started our course, it started. Okay. First president of ICAI, what did he say? Our commitment is to the society. We got earlier, it was code of conduct. How many seniors are there? More than senior members? Those days it's only one brown book. Brown book. Even now if you see, you can see, it only contains 2 items. Chartered Accountants Act, Schedule 1, Schedule 2 and some guidelines. Now new code has come into existence from 2020. Now when is the new, next code is going to come? Abhishek, can I expect answer from you? When is the next code is going to come? Soon. Soon. Okay, good. See now, you all people are sleeping. Our institute has given a draft seeking your opinion for the code 2025. Last date is maybe tomorrow. Okay, right. So, have you ever referred that about code of conduct in your audit? Code of conduct பற்றியோ code of conduct we are following எங்கேயாவது சொல்லியிருக்கோமா? Did we ever mention or did you ever come across code of ethics in your audit? Where, when? Which audit report? காரோவில் வருதா? காரோவில் வரல. அக்செப்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் அப்பாயின்மெண்ட்டில் வரல. என்கேஜ்மெண்ட் லெட்டரில் வருதா? ரைட், ஓகே. ஆக்சுவலாக எங்கே நம்ம கமிட் பண்ணுறோம்? ஆடிட்டர் ரிப்போர்ட்டில் எங்கே? வேர் இட் இஸ்? ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி பேராகிராஃப் இல்லை அது. யூ ஆர் ரைட், யூ ஆர் நியர் டு ரைட். ஸோ how many of you are doing private limited company audit? Okay, where it is coming? Audit report தான் வருது. She said responsibility. Where it is comes? Can someone read what is in the red? On the basis of opinion we are giving. Right? At least I am very happy some people have remembering that we are committing. Good. Give them a big hand. So can someone read? Madam, you have to come to the front. Please come to the front. I want someone to read. Yes, ma.
India, together with the ethical requirements that are relevant to our audit. It's only
Then next read.
we have fulfilled our other ethical responsibilities in accordance with these requirements and the code of ethics.
So we are committing that we are following code of ethics. இதெல்லாம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணல நம்மளை யார் கேட்குறா? இப்போ who is asking this question? Who is trying to catch us now? எம்சிஏ இல்லை. தூக்கத்தில் கேட்டால் கூட சொல்லுவீங்களே பெரிய peer review. Yes, peer review. And then peer review உங்களை கேள்வி தான் கேட்குறாங்க. NFRA, yes, NFRA is asking in each line, you are committing that you have followed the, fulfilled the all ethical responsibilities. So not only code of conduct but also ethical responsibility with respect to audit. Whatever is expected of, whether under the Chartered Accountant Act or whether under code of ethics or under any other law. Okay, right. Now how many of you are signed the tax audit report? Tax audit report, how many you signed? Did we make similar mention in the tax audit report? I want yes or no. I am an old man, I may get into sleep, even though time is evening. Are we making any reference in tax audit? I want yes or no? No. So, you are not up to date. How many of you are writing this in your tax audit report? Basis of, similar to basis of opinion? Someone can come and read. The first line. First line. Point number 5. Top.
In our opinion and to the best of our information and according to the explanations given to us, the particulars given in the said form number 3CD are true and correct, subject to the following observations, qualifications if any.
You have to mention all this. Okay? And I only giving some reference to the code of ethics. Now you go to the next, I am just highlighting it. You can read now.
Our responsibility is to express an opinion on these financial statements based on our audit. We have conducted this audit in accordance with the standards on auditing issued by the ICAI. Those standards require that we comply with ethical requirements and plan and perform the audit to obtain reasonable assurance about whether the financial statements are free from material misstatement.
This is the commitment we have to give in all 3 CD. Okay? All the points which are similar to the basis of opinion we are giving, we have to give. Otherwise, our report is incomplete. Thank you. So, code of ethics applicable to all whom? Chartered accountant in practice or in service or otherwise. All. Not both, all. Who are the other people? You are a managing director of a company, you are not in service. You are running a business. So far as you are a member of the institute, all code of ethics is applied. Even if you are not member, but if you do the service which a member is doing, then also it is applied. So the latest code is based on International Federation of Accountants. There is a division called International Ethical and Standard Board. That was formed in 2018. We ditto copy pasted in our this thing, and it is effective from 2020. Clear? We are going to speak and get ourselves trained only on that. So now we got a concept called maker and checker now. So the person who is doing the same and the person also cannot be the same. Like code of ethics cannot be prepared by our institute and code of ethics also cannot be implemented by the institute. That is why IFAC take a different section wherein there is an International Foundation for Ethics and Audit was formed. For it has been taken out from IFAC. Now there are two divisions. One is International Ethical Standard for Board for Accountants and International Audit and Assurance Standard Board. Clear? Now they have latest come with a new scheme, which is what we are discussing in our code 2025. These are 3 books, 3 volumes. Have you ever seen this? Soft copy, hard copy available in the institute. So it has got 3 volumes, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. 1 talks about the code, 2 talks about auditing standard, accounting standard and all institute guidelines, etc. 3 is a case law. You are expected to be thorough with all the 3. Okay? So the fundamental of this code is a professional account responsibility is not exclusive to satisfy the needs of individual client or employer. The standard of accountancy profession is heavily determined by the public interest. So we should keep always public interest. Did you ever that when I talk about public, somebody said your signature much more powerful than the President of India? Who said? The Prime Minister said, right? So how powerful our signature? How effective it should be? I leave it to your thinking. Okay. There are fundamentally 5 principles. I want somebody from the back to read. I am not going to read. Last bench, please. No mobile, please. Sir, you are to only read. Give in the. I want you to read. Otherwise, you come to the front. Yes, sir. 5 principles I have given. Can you read one at a time?
Integrity,
Next person.
objectivity,
Objectivity.
Professional competence and due care.
Professional competence and due care.
Confidentiality.
Confidentiality. Next, last. Last.
Professional behavior.
Professional behavior. What does it mean? Let us go from last. Professional behavior means what? We are 24/7 chartered accountants, not 10 to 5. You cannot do anything which is unlawful at any point of time. That discourages the profession. That is an important message you have to take in your mind. See, you are going in the car, somebody hits you, you feel that fellow is wrong, so you feel like coming and hitting him. Can you do that? Can you do that? You cannot do it. Because that is against law. So that is the level of professional behavior expected. Okay? And all these points, do you want me to discuss, or will I presume that you all understand what is what? Very good. Everybody is clear. So let me go to the, let me not go in detail into that, each issue. Okay. The first part of the code, there are 4 parts. First part talking about complying with the code, fundamental principle and conceptual framework. Second related to material related to professional accountant in service. Third related to professional accountant in public practice. 4 has got 2 parts, that is independent standard relating to audit and review engagement, 1, then other than audit and review engagement. This is how it is structured. You go there, it is very simple, introduction, requirement and also application material. Application material is nothing but in a given situation what you have to do. It's very clear, very simple, easily understandable. Only thing is, what is required? You have to sit and read. The entire code, it is called as not chartered accountant, professional accountant. Professional accountant in public practice, professional accountant service. I will ask you one question. A chartered accountant is employed in a chartered accountant firm. He comes under public practice or in service? How many of you say it is public practice? Okay. How many want to say it is in service? How many don't want to say anything? There are some people even for that don't want to raise their hands. 40 years back, I don't think that we would have, when I am here, there so many brickbats will come. Anyhow, as a speaker, I am a little enjoying because nobody is responding. Presuming that you know you are better than me. So, if a chartered accountant is employed in a chartered accountant practice, for all this code, he is considered member in service, public accountant in service. Okay? Now, when you come across following this code, you fundamental principle, 5 principle, you come across one issue. What is it? The risk or threat. Threat. When you whenever the threat is there, you first identify. After identification, what you have to do? You identify the threat, then what you have to do? Evaluate it. Excellent. Give her a big hand. After evaluation, what you should do? Apply? Apply? There, what is there? Are you reading? I am not able to hear. So apply safeguards. Okay, then? If safeguard is enough, what will do? Accept it. If it is not there, okay. What are all the threats? There are 5 threats I want you to answer. Before I go to the next slide, I want answer from you. There are 5 threats. Everybody knows. Can someone say? Self-review threat, excellent. Give him a big hand. Intimidation threat, next. Familiarity threat. Next. Another 2. Self-interest advocacy, correct? Correct? Anything else is there? So these are the 5 threats. Okay? And everybody is familiar with this. You don't want me to explain on this, correct? Yes, okay. Shall I go to the next? Please, I want answer. You want me to explain? Okay. Now come to the front. You are going to only explain. Come, come, come. Madam, please come. Come. See, I remember when I call her, I remember a story that Swami Subhavananda said. He was taking a class for people in the marketing. Somebody was always talking at the back. So he called, you come and sit in the front. The moment she sit in the front, what will happen? You will get irritated with the speaker, correct? It's a intimidation, right? Okay. This particular lady was totally, I'm sorry I used the gender, whatever he said, I'm copying it. Okay. So, she felt as if she has been insulted. And the crowd, if you call somebody, there are some people who thought, I am called. Mean what? Somebody wanted to pull me down. What is the other way of looking at it? If I am called, I am being recognized among all the people there. So he asked at the meeting, and then he said, why is that you are not feeling comfortable? Swamiji, you called me in front of everybody and made me shame. Then he asked, he said, anybody having any other opinion? He said, yes. If you would have called me, I will be very happy. Because I am called by Swamiji, I am blessed. Okay. Today, I want you to get in the second way. Okay. Now, self-interest threat. What could have been the self-interest threat? You just try to attend. Can anyone tell? Okay. That is one thing. Anyone tell self-interest threat example? Yeah. So, relationship with the entity, because let us say my partner's wife is in a company on which I am auditing. What will happen? I have an interest. Then I am invested in money in the company as a shareholder. My investment is 50%. Others are 50%. Somebody is a director. He may be employee director. Do I have an interest in it? That's called self-interest. What is the next one? Self-review. What is self-review? Self-review, trust any example? Auditing your own? Your own firm, excellent. Yeah, accounting and auditing, excellent. Give her a big hand. Please. Good. Next. Anything else? Excellent, excellent. Okay. Second point clear. Shall we go to the third point, madam? Okay, third point is what? Advocacy threat. Can anyone give an example? Advocacy threat. Yes. What type of that defending? Let us more little more specific. You prepare a project report, you give this is very good, this company is worth investing, and then you do auditing. Right, good. Next. Next. Okay, next point will go. Familiarity threat. Long time, yes. You know the client knows you. Client know how to get the things done. Client know how to get the things done. Coming in the last day, giving all excuses, you will not be even willing to hear what he says. Familiarity threat. Okay. Yeah. Father is good, so son should also be good. Father is good, so son, daughter is also good. So, absolutely correct. You are a big hand. Yes, you are right. So, senior auditor didn't ask that question. How you junior auditor can ask the question? Am I right? Good. Okay. Next. Intimidation threat. நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும் இப்போ அகில No. With the fact error is there, he intimidate you. What is the example? Change the auditor na அது intimidation கிடையாது. Intimidation உங்களை எப்படியாவது induce பண்ணி பண்ண வைக்கணும். Let us look it from that angle. இந்த கம்பெனி நீங்கள் பண்ண என் குரூப் பூரா உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருந்தேன். ஐ வில் கிவ் த என்டையர் குரூப். அது ஒரு இஷ்யூ இருக்கா? ரைட்டு. இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க? நான் உங்களுக்கு தீபாவளிக்கு ஸ்பெஷல் கிஃப்ட் கொடுத்தேன், நல்ல ஜுவல்லரி ஒன்று கொண்டாந்து கொடுத்துருக்குறேன், ஊர் பூரா தம்பட்டு அடிச்சிடுவேன். இப்போ சைன் பண்ணுறீங்களா இல்லையா? நம்ம பழகினமா இல்லை, சப்ஜெக்ட் தான் பேசுகிறோம். இப்போ வாட் எவர் வி டாக் இஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட். It doesn't have any reference to any of one of are here, including me. Okay? Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Sorry, I stand correct. I got your point. Okay? So these are some of the examples. Because of the time constraint, I am not going. Any of PPT is there, it will be shared and you can also read. Now, go to volume 2, Accounting Standard, Auditing Standard, Chartered Accountant Act, Council decision, Council guideline, self-regulatory recommendation, all are there. You are all supposed to be knowledgeable than me on this subject. Okay? Silence means acceptance. Okay. Now, just small reference. There is 2 schedules in Chartered Accountant Act. How many of you remember? After the exam, don't ask me. Right. What is first schedule? What is second schedule? What is the difference? Sir, நீங்க வாங்க. நீங்க தான் explain பண்ண போறீங்க. Come. Yes. First schedule க்கு second schedule க்கு என்ன difference?
Schedule for member in practice and second member in service.
Absolutely wrong. You can read and tell, no problem. I'm not asking you to. See, we are learning. Okay. I'm not a speaker, you are not a listener. The game is different totally. Today we are learning or refreshing ourselves. Yeah. There is a difference in the nature of the default. Okay. Whatever the misconduct, the gravity is what is important. First schedule is less, second schedule is more. And first schedule applies all including members in service. Second schedule is not for members in service. Okay. Who is going to decide first schedule? Please read in Board of
Discipline.
Discipline. Who is going to do in the second thing?
Board of Committee.
No.
Sorry, Discipline
Committee.
Committee.
There are 2 things. I want you to keep in your mind. There is Board of Discipline and Disciplinary Committee. Okay. What is the punishment?
Fine up to rupees 1 lakh.
Okay. There?
Fine up to 5 lakhs.
What is the other one?
Suspension up to 3 months, and there it is permanently also.
Permanently. Any amount time up to permanency. Here no permanency. சின்ன தப்பு பண்ணா பையனை மன்னிச்சு விட்ருவான். என்ன பெரிய தப்பு பண்ணா மன்னிச்சு விடுவோம், வேண்டாம்னா கொடுக்குறது நல்லா கொடுத்துருவோம். ஓகே ரைட், தேங்க்யூ. Okay, now let us go some case laws. Okay, practical cases. How many of you got a no objection letter from the previous auditor? Okay, when you write, can you give the mic to someone? I want someone to answer what you will write in your letter. You are asking previous auditors, no objection. What you will write in your letter? Anga friendly yaro ketanga. Yes. சார் யார் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னு இப்போ 5 பேர் இந்த பக்கமே 5 வந்து மொத்தமாக 10 பேர் கை தூக்குனீங்க, யாரோ ஒருத்தர் திருப்பி எஸ் சார், நீங்கள் வந்து ப்ரீவியஸ் ஆடிட்டருக்கு லெட்டர் அனுப்பணும். வாட் யூ வில் ரைட் இன் த லெட்டர்? சீக்கிங் நோ அப்ஜெக்ஷன்.
யூ ஹேவ் ஆடிட்டட் தி ப்ரீவியஸ்.
லவுடர் ப்ளீஸ், கேட்கல. யா.
ஸோ யூ ஆர் த ஆடிட்டர் ஃபார் தி.
Yeah, please go ahead, please. I am the auditor, you are taking my auditor. And now you are writing a letter, what you will write?
Yeah, that's what. You are the auditor for this company.
What will be, you are writing a letter, now what will be the contents of the letter? இல்லை அவர் பேசலை. ஹலோ பேசுங்க. ஹலோ ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க. Yes, clear. பேசுங்க.
So you are the auditor for this company. So I am going to take over this auditor. You have any objections?
Okay, that was your letter, right? Let us see. This is the first letter. You are appointed as statutory as X Private Limited. You are the previous auditor. Please send your no objection. Is this letter correct or wrong? No, right? Okay. What is wrong? Otherwise, okay. One word, otherwise. Is it beyond that? Yes, that is that point. Okay, agreed. Remuneration. Any disputed, undisputed amount is paid or not? That is the next draft. You are appointed so and so. As a previous, please let us know your objection to accepting the said audit. and let us know if any fees is pending to you. Is it sufficient? Not sufficient. What is the next one pending? Huh? No reply is received within 7 days. Okay. Or 15 days. Okay. Right. Agreed. Anything else? Is it? Huh? Any other point which no? Madam also told. Okay. That is most important. So, please prioritize the information which in your opinion we are the incoming auditor need to be aware of before deciding on the acceptance of the audit. So, whenever you write letter, these 3 points are important. Clear? Because we are still in the old memory. Those time was very good. You write, you have got any objection, please let me know. Or professional and otherwise. Right? So, these 3 points to be covered. Now, retiring auditor, what you should do? As a retiring auditor, I am writing a letter to you. What I should write? Keep quiet for 7 days, automatically deemed to have been. Because somebody said if you 7 days reply is received, it is deemed there. Yes, sir. So, what should be there? What is the responsibility of the previous auditor? Someone can read? Yeah. Can someone read? You could, madam. Kanna konjam pin roll seri madam padiga. Read, you read.
The retiring auditor shall provide the information diligently in his opinion. The incoming auditor needs to be aware before deciding whether to accept the engagement. The retiring auditor.
So, what I should give the right information. ஏன் வந்து ஏன் ரிட்டையர் ஆகிறேன் ஒன்று 5 years முடிஞ்சோன்னே ரிட்டையர் ஆகிறேன் இன்னொன்று எனக்கு பிடிக்கல ரிட்டையர் ஆகிறேன் என்ன இல்லை எனக்கு ஃபீஸ் கொடுக்கல ரிட்டையர் ஆகிறேன் ஃபீஸ் கொடுக்கல ரிட்டையர் ஆனால் அது வேறு விஷயம் இல்லை என்னை விட அவங்க கம்மியாக ஃபீஸில் கோட் பண்ணி எடுத்துகிட்டு போனாங்களோ அது வேறு விஷயம் பட் அங்கே ஒரு பிரச்சனை இருக்குது இட் இஸ் மை டியூட்டி டு பிரிங் தட் ஃபேக்ட் டு தி இன்கமிங் ஆடிட்டர் கிளியர் தட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி இஸ் தேர் வித் த அவுட் கோயிங் ஆடிட்டர் ஓகே டுமாரோ இஃப் சம்திங் கோஸ் ராங் and which you know is not informed, you are responsible. Okay. Now, 3CD case law, it is already the case law. I'll just ask someone to read. A chartered accountant has issued a tax audit report. What he says? No books of account maintained.
One point I can clarify. Yeah. Because that 7 days point, it is not adequate that you just write 7 days. You must ensure that that multiple communications at least go to the previous auditor. In general, the board is more particular about this because to maintain the professional ethics, that one communication is not enough. Even if we put 15 days, we will assume, etc. Multiple communications must go to the previous auditor. That is, multiple decisions are there on this. Sorry to...
No.
Because
I want your input also.
No, because on this point, someone said that
this program is make it very clear. It's a learning for both of us. Let me make it very clear. The program also is something which is, as far as chartered accountant things, one thing let us all keep in mind. We are learning till when? Till the last day. So, learning is one process, and today there is nothing like, as 40, 50 years ago, you go to the senior, he knows everything. Today that is not there. So many development, anybody knows better than others. Maybe senior, junior. So, we should be open, and in this connection, any other issue you wanted to share on the retiring auditor? What happened? The previous auditor whom you are writing is already dead. What we should do? You send a letter, he is dead. Or he is a preparator, he is dead. What you should do? You are not going to write a letter. You know very well he is no more. Then what you will do? What you are expected to do? You should ensure his death, keep necessary information with you, or you also check up with your institute site. Right? So, you should ensure he is dead, or you cannot send. Because no letter can go to a dead person. Right? Because if you go, even this one itself will take one full session. As far as this code of conduct ethics is concerned, it was a 2-day, that is 12-hour session earlier it was. So here tax audit he signed, is a contractor, right? We only estimated is given and no books of account maintained. Okay, no books of account maintained. He is giving a 3 CD. You are saying that I am not responsible because he has not maintained the books of account. Where will he would have made a mistake in the report? Disclaim that to report the balance sheet and complete the financial statement from the information given by the contractor for the purpose of estimation of profit and loss and asset liability. Mention that the books are maintained in mercantile system. நீங்கள் 3CD ஒரு கிளாஸ் இருக்குது தெரியுமா, வெதர் புக்ஸ் ஆர் மெயின்டைன் இன் மெர்கன்டைல் சிஸ்டம் ஆர் சிஸ்டம். இப்போ புக்ஸே மெயின்டைன் பண்ணல, அப்போ என்ன கொடுப்பீங்க? நாட் அப்ளிகபிள் கொடுப்பீங்களா? அங்கே இருக்கா ப்ரொவிஷனு? இல்லை, அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறது? தெர் இஸ் நோ ப்ரொவிஷன். அங்கே 2 தான் இருக்குது. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? என்ன பண்ணுன்னா நம்ம பண்ணது கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். குவாலிஃபை, எக்ஸலன்ட், கிவ் a weekend. There is no mercantile system. I mean that to that extent that information is incorrect. So he failed to report that. So to that extent there is a professional misconduct. It's a clear reported case. Okay. He is guilty under section 789 of second schedule. What is 789 of second schedule? Can you give mic to somebody? சார் லாஸ்ட் ரோவில் கொடுங்க சார். உங்களுக்கு யாரை பிடிக்குமா அவங்களுக்கு கொடுங்க. லாஸ்ட் ரோவில் கொடு தம்பி. யார் பிடிக்கிறவனுக்கு கொடு. உனக்கு யாரை பிடிக்கிற கொடு. லாஸ்ட் ரோ சொன்னேன், இன்னும் பின்னால். சார் நீங்கள் தான் படிக்கிறீங்க இப்போ. செக்ஷன் 789. Someone to read.
Clause 7 does not exercise due diligence or is grossly negligent in the conduct of his professional duties.
Okay. Clause 8
fails to obtain sufficient information which is necessary for expression of an opinion or its exceptions are sufficiently material to negate the expression of an opinion. Clause 9 fails to invite attention to any material departure from the generally accepted procedure of audit applicable to the circumstances.
40 can be 3 or 4. So 789 is clear. So you sign a balance sheet in which books of account is not maintained. Each class you go, wherever it is affected, you have to report. Where? Means subject to your observation. Okay. If you don't do that, it's a misconduct. Okay, this let us leave. Now, what about the changes which is being proposed in the new code of conduct? I'll just briefly give you. First is ethical standard for sustainability assurance is added. Second one, our ICA emblem you will find, and there is also a slogan, Dharmo Rakshit Rasita Rasik. நாளைக்கு நல்ல தமிழில் ஒரு பாட்டு இருக்குது, எம்ஜிஆர் பாட்டு. யாருக்கு ஞாபகம் வருது? தர்மத்தை கடைப்பிடிச்சவங்களுக்கு தர்மம் காக்கும், தர்மத்தை கடைப்பிடிங்க தர்மமே அழிக்கும். எம்ஜிஆர் பாட்டு யாருக்காவது ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? தர்மம் தலை காக்கும், தக்க சமயத்தில் உயிர் காக்கும். சரிதானே? That is going to be part of our code of conduct. So Satyameva Jayate is included. Now instead of professional accountant, they have used the word chartered accountant. The next, no CLAR is going to be applicable to all listed entities, not 250 crore net worth cases. Then management service include forensic accounting, research analysis, social impact assessment, evaluation, AI, etc. CA can be in partnership with other professionals. Relative include financial dependent. What is the difference? Financial dependent. Relative include financial dependent. No, financial dependent of you. Who is financially dependent on you? Normally mother, father, brother, sister, wife, children.
Who is not earning.
In the family, who is there? Any other member who is not earning? Mates also. Excellent. Then? Excellent. Any one person you keep with you. Whom, say for example, you take a child. You take care of their education fully. So they are also financially independent. So now the definition get enlarged. Okay, next. So there are books available. Already I have shown 3 books, right? 3 books, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. And to make us understand and read easily, some another 4 books are there. So CA Ethics Plus. Provision relating to director simpliciter, independent director versus members in practice. Okay. The next, frequently asked question on professional ethics. எத்தனை பேர் அந்த புக்கை பார்த்துருக்குறீங்க? சாஃப்ட் காப்பி, ஹார்ட் காப்பி ரெண்டு இருக்குது. Okay, then another book, Important Decisions of the Ethical Standard Board and Council. I only request you to read as much as possible at the earliest. Okay. Now, are you, what is the time available? So, another 10 minutes will get. Oh, some case laws. Okay. So, first case law வந்து communication with the previous auditor. Husband and wife are chartered accountants. They are independently practicing. They don't, there was a cooperative audit. As per the cooperative audit, once in 3 years, you have to rotate. So, what would have happened? Can you imagine? Husband 3 years, wife 3 years. It was going on smooth. When will the problem come? Divorce. After divorce, what will happen? Wife made a complaint to on the husband that I was a previous auditor. Husband failed to get no objection. Clear? How serious we should be. He said, it's all reported cases. Nothing of my story. Okay? Now let us go to the next case. Percentage based on fees. See, you are not supposed to go based on the percentage, am I right? You are chartered accountant, a senior chartered accountant, and appeal has come. So he said, I want to charge the fees. How do I charge the fees? Now total disallowance is 1 crore. Give me 5%. Right? Is it correct or not? Now how the issue came was, the client has accepted. The chartered accountant also won. It is writing that you are supposed to pay so much fees. So the client, instead of paying the fees, went to the institute, complaint. So what complaint? This chartered accountant, instead of asking a fixed fees, he is asking a based on the percentage fees. Now I want everyone to give me an answer. Is the chartered accountant's action is correct or not? Is there any misconduct? Huh? You are not supposed to charge based on the misconduct is there. Okay. Abhishek, you got any idea? No, I am not going to give an answer. I will get all your answer. Okay. The beautiful argument which was given was, what did he say? Percentage, percentage based on the profit or percentage based on the outcome. What he is charged? He didn't charge based on the outcome. He charged based on the disallowance. Suppose disallowance is 1 crore, if I get 30 lakhs, you give me percentage on 30 lakhs, then it is wrong. Clear? So, it's only based on the outcome or on the profit. Contingent event already existing event based percentage. That was a brilliant argument which has been given. Okay, that is what I. Let us look at the other case. Other cases, he charged based on the percentage at the other side. So he was held professionally misconduct. Okay. Now the other issue of husband and wife. Wife, see, senior chartered accountant, who they know the whole, what is the advantage of senior chartered accountant? They know the entire family, starting from grandfather to grandchild, including wife, children, everybody. So, if it is not, if it is not documented, where is the question of coming to the institute? See, you are giving a case where you are not coming to the genuine issue. Now, if he asks 5 lakhs, he doesn't give 5 lakhs. I did not only agreed for 5,000. Where is the proof? Now you tell me. Now, every work you are expected to give what? Engagement letter, professional misconduct, Not following the standards. Yes or no? First mistake. Second mistake, you are charged 5 lakh, he will give only 50,000, 5,000. Where do you stand? சார் நீங்கள் 50,000 கேட்குறீங்க சார், நீங்கள் 5 லட்சம் கேட்குறீங்க சார், அவர் 2,000க்கு பண்ணுறார் சார். அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ண போகிறீங்க? ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் யூ ஆர் சப்போஸ் whenever you negotiate a fees, keep it in writing. Okay? So you cannot say that I will not keep it in writing, so I am smart. You may be smart, it is otherwise also. Okay? Now this is another case of, so senior chartered accountant, he was going for some important meeting, so and son's wife, daughter-in-law came. Suddenly, my husband is going abroad. He is too busy. He want me to go get me all his IT returns certified by you. Can you give immediately? So what you will do? Immediately will be given or not? Immediately it was given. He also went. She went. There was a domestic violence girl. She used this. Husband is asking, how do she got this? So he knows that the chartered accountant is certified without getting a permission from whom? Assessee. So your client information, can you share? Can you share? So there is a misconduct. In another case, what happened now? There is a two brothers who are running a company for a long period. Suddenly one day, younger brother came. Normally, elder brother used to come, my brother is not well, and last days we have to give the balance sheet to the company secretary for filing. You please sign and give me. What happened? He signed as a one director. He got the signature of the auditor, stating that I will go and get my brother's signature. So he went, he filed through the company secretary and then lodged the complaint. What was the complaint? Before, excellent, give me a big hand. There is no board approval. Can you sign a balance sheet of a private limited company before board approval? Mere signature of the two directors is also not good. Okay, so you have to keep in your record that the accounts are approved by the board and you got it. What normally you do? You get a letter or copy of the minutes. Okay, can you just imagine why this younger brother wanted to make life miserable for a CA who has been with him for a long time? He is also his client. Can you imagine? What is the truth now? Begin the story. This younger brother wanted his daughter to be given article clerk, dummy article clerk. This auditor refused. Okay, so importance of the documentation, importance of ensuring that your safety is primary than the client. There is one chartered accountant write a book. I think many would have read. What is the book? Abhishek, you can read the book name. No, not your book. Yeah, you don't write that book. You will not write, I am sure. What is the name of the book? Planning for secret income, black money. So he is found guilty of misconduct. Can anyone tell what is the nature of the misconduct? He wrote a book. What is that? We discussed on the subject, that is why I am asking you. Yeah, bring distribute to the profession. Under what class? 5 I told now? Integrity. What is the class it is? You are right, your answer is correct. Professional behavior, okay? So if you anyone start writing black money, so chartered accountants are known for doing all black money activities, okay? So it is a dispute to the profession, so that is where he is found guilty. So now another 5, what is the 1 hour is there, na? We will go for a game. One excuse, actually I could not accommodate all in at a time, so we will have to have 40 groups. How do we take 40 groups? Abhishek, you have 130 people. That means 3 people can join us one group. You see, you have to see now if there is going to be a game, you have to answer through your mobile. Okay. Whoever gets the correct answer will get the mark. It will come to in your mobile itself. Whoever fast will get the maximum mark. The first is something like your objective questions. Kaun banayega crorepati cases. Second two are your quiz type. So all the three we are going to give the prizes. So we'll have to have 3 prizes in each category. You have to answer through your mobile. Keep your mobile ready. Okay. I want you to go this. Type h kaku.it. நம்ம இதுக்கு போயிருங்க. அதில் என்ன வருது? பின் கேட்குதா? இப்போ how do you get 40 people of only 40 countries you can form a group within yourself? Next. Game pin is asking. So now you organize yourself with 40. Only 40 can start, join. So 3 people or 2 people. Pin. I am going to give you the pin. Pin I will be giving. You can also take your mobile. You don't write anything, wait for the pin. I am generating pin. இப்போ நான் பின் கொடுத்ததுக்கப்புறம் உங்கள் நேமை கொடுக்கலாம். அதில் என்ன நிக் நேம் வேணாலும் கொடுத்துக்கலாம், என்ன நேம் வேணாலும் கொடுக்கலாம். ஓகே, நேம் கொடுத்ததுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் கேமில் வருவீங்க. இங்கே கேமில் என்ன ஆகுன்னா, இங்கே ஒரு 4 கலர் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 4 ஆன்சர்ஸ் இல்லையா, 4 கலர் இருக்கும். உங்கள்கிட்ட 4 கலர் இருக்கும். 4 கலர் இந்த நம்ம சீட்டுக்கட்டில் வரும்ல 4 டிசைன், அந்த மாதிரி வரும். யூ ஹவ் டு சூஸ் அ ரைட் கலர். இங்கே கலர் கிளிக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா அங்கே வரும். ரைட்டாக தப்பாங்கிறது ஒன்ஸ் எவ்ரிபடி கம்ப்ளீட்டட் இட் வில் கம். ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் 45 செகண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. If everybody completed, then the game will be over. And every game we will know, every point of time who is leading. Okay. You also get in your mobile what is the mark for that game and what is for the till date. Aggregate also. Okay. Ready? Andisha. Yes. இந்த மாதிரி சிம்பிள் வரும். இங்கே கரெக்ட் ஆன்சருக்கான என்ன கலர் இருக்கோ அதை எடுத்துக்கணும். சிம்பிள் மே பி வேரியிங். பின் வருது, பின் ஜென்ரேட் ஆகுது. பின்னால் தான் வரும். என்னாச்சு? ஸ்டார்ட். ரெடி டு ஜாயின். லோடிங் கேம் பின் 9189521. இப்போ உங்கள் நேமை கொடுக்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு விருப்பமான பிக்சர் கொடுத்துக்கலாம், விருப்பமான தொப்பியோ கிரீடமோ கொடுத்துக்கலாம். எஸ், ராஜேஷ், கார்த்திகேயன், ஆர்பி, ரமா, ஸ்ரீராஜ், Divi, 22 people joined. SMB, okay. Abhishek, Veena, Lallu, Hari, VK, Satya, Sedu, Hari, KK, Pradeep, 34 இன்னொரு 6 பேர். BP, yes, 37. Another 3. Another 3 people can join. நான் வச்சுருந்தேன் இருக்கு. நான் வச்சதுன்னு. Right. Okay. So 37, another 3 people can join, please. Tyagarajan, BP, Raj, 38, another 2. நீ உட்காந்து ஆப்ரேட் பண்ண தெரியுதா? செட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும் ஸ்க்ரீன். 39, one more please. Fast, KK, PK, Renuka, VMK, 38. What happened? One suddenly going out. 37, 38. Yeah, before game itself I am getting a different answer. Normally after the game we will get it. During the game we will get it. 38. Any 2 who missed to join? நீங்கள் 3 பேர் ஒன்றா இருந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிங்க. டேக் ஒன் மோர் அவ்வளோதானே? ஓகே, ரெடியா? 39, ஒன் மோர் ப்ளீஸ். 40, full house. Anyone who has joined 2, you can have one more mobile. Okay? Yes? Everyone joined? நடுவில் கேட்காதீங்க, இது இடம் இருக்காது. இந்த particular time I restricted to 40. If it is more than 40, I need to have one more parallel game. Okay, ready? Start பண்ணலாமா? 40. Excellent. Let us start. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க. கரெக்ட் ஆன்சராக இருக்கணும், ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கணும். So for the people at the back, is it visible? Okay, right. Right, start. Game 1. Code of ethics applies to only chartered accountant in practice, all chartered accountant in practice, employment or otherwise, only practicing member, only members in service. இதே கலர் அங்கே சூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. டகால் 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 32 33 34 39 ஒரு ஆளாக நிற்குது 41 ஆன்சர். Yes, 39 are correct, 3 are wrong. Okay. Now let us see who is first, second and third. You got your mark there? And bottom also one more mark is coming. Okay, bottom you will get a cumulative total also. Yes, right, next. Who is first? Renuka. Give her a big hand. SMV second. Sedu third. See, anytime SMV and Sedu may go up. Okay, next game. Next. What is primary objective of ICAI Code of Ethics? To provide guidelines for efficient tax filing, to enable chartered accountant to maximize profit, to create rules for business conduct, to safeguard reputation of the profession and maintain public trust. If everybody answer, it will close, otherwise it will wait for 45 seconds. One more is missing. 29 are correct, 12 are wrong. Who is now leading position? Suddenly Kamakshi has come up. Siriraj second, SME third, Renuka from first position to third position. Up 19 places, SRV is the highest climber now. Okay, SRV can take up everybody next. Okay, next. The principle of integrity requires a member to fair and straightforward, follow the client instruction, disclose all financial data, minimize cost for a client. What is correct? Good. Next. Kamachi maintains first position. Renuka has climbed up. Abhishek the same fifth position. AG is the highest climber, up 8 places. Okay, next. According to ICAI Code of Ethics, which of the following is considered a potential threat to CA independence? Having long-term client relationship, financial interest, jewelry gift received from a client, all the above. Are we learning? Right or wrong, we are learning. Yeah, only one is wrong, 41 is correct, good. Next. 1 second, wait. Kamakshi still stands first, I think not much change. KSA climbed up by 5 places. Next. According to ICAI Code, a member should not allow personal bias to override professional judgment, client to dictate their professional work for additional fee, any conflict of interest, all the above. $38 correct, 3 wrong. Next. Siriraj has come up, give me a big hand. Siriraj, Kamakshi, Renuka, SMV, Abhishek, VK, just hit answer streak 5. Okay, next. The principle of professional competency and due care implies that a CA shall accept assignment beyond their capacity, continuously maintain and enhance their professional knowledge and skills, focus on completing work quickly, only focus on tax impact. Yeah, 33 correct, 5 wrong. Next. Result. Suddenly KSA climbed up. 7 participants reached the answer, streak 4. Okay, SME Abhishek Murli. Next. Which of the following actions violate the principle of objectivity? Signing a report based on accurate and reliable information, offering a professional opinion based on personal and financial interest, maintaining professional independent judgment, exercising professional skepticism in audit. Violation. Violation. CA exam question. I want you to be active. There are questions which are straightforward, not nothing. Reasonably straightforward. So 32 correct. I think it appears to be a little tricky question. Next. KSA has come up. Who is KSA? So this again. And Zoya has come up. New addition. Who is Zoya? Zoya. Is it Oye? Who is it? Okay, good. So this is the interesting game. So you have to be correct and quick. Right? So are you all enjoying the game? I want a full answer. Yes or no? Okay. Are you all learning? That is more important. Okay, next. The principle of independence refers to accept assignment only for financial gain, ability to work with variety of client, necessity to follow client instruction without deviation, the need to avoid any influence over a professional judgment. யாருமே ஆன்சர் பண்ண நான் 45 seconds வரைக்கும் போகும். Timing set for 45. I think this group doesn't need more than 30 minutes. 30 seconds. Sometimes what happens, senior people come, they will not. 37 correct. Good. Result? Kamakshi come up again. Give. Raj and RP are new entrants. Good. Tungade, Tambi, Tungade. A member should not conduct that disrespectful professional guidance when in doubt. Maintain high level of confidentiality. None of the above. $29 correct? 10 wrong. Okay. Next. A case is coming up. Satish is coming up. AG is coming up. RP is coming up. Next. Which type of audit report does not exist? Does not. Emphasis of matter paragraph. Unmodified. Simple. Qualified. Interesting. Anybody? 34 correct. Next. KSA first, RP second, Zoya third, Satish fourth, AG 4 participants is the answer streak of 3. Okay. Number of days within which audit documentation should be completed. 60, 90, 180, 30. What is the answer? I only want to give out of syllabus so that you remember it now. 20 correct? The answer is 60. What happens if you create a paper after 60th day? You create a paper after everything is over, 60 days is over. You wanted to insert a paper, what happens? Negligence. Beyond that, it's a criminal offense. So you are liable for both criminal and civil. This is a criminal offense. Don't give insert any paper after 60 days. So you peer reviewer coming at that day, you find something, you insert it, mudijadu. Okay, next. RP has come up, full swing. Lakshmanan, new, PMK, Savita, SRV, totally changing the scenario. One question wrong will pull you down. One question with fastness will take you down. So everyone is interested in the game, and I want you to make it very clear. We are all learning. Correct? Right. Next. Collecting and preparing working paper is known as audit evidence, documentation, planning and audit, policy and procedure. So 28 correct, 11 wrong. So see the results. Suddenly KSA and SME has come. Lakshman is in the second position. Right. Next, Rajesh is coming back. Compliance of applicable laws and regulations is the duty of management, those charged with governance, auditor, management, TCWG and auditor. Who is responsible? This is one game somebody has not completed and waiting. So 24 correct, and let us see the result. Some changes we are expecting, right? Yeah. Raj has come up, Satish has come up. Next. Who is responsible for preparation of financial statement? Management, audit, internal auditor, statutory auditor, audit committee. Name board. Next. Okay, only points variance. KK is back with the answer streak of 3. போர்டு கொஞ்சம் மேலே இந்த ஓடியத்துக்கு கீழே போர்டு இருக்கு. 35 correct. Good. See, SRV has climbed up. Okay. Third in row, Kamakshi is back in the game. This game first done by Kamakshi. Okay. Next. Not one of the fundamental principle. Integrity, objectivity, profitability, professional competence. Oh, fast. 37 correct. Okay. Next. Slide change. Okay. Third in the row, SVS back in the game. Next. Professional behavior should be influenced by competition in the market, be motivated by the monetary benefit, maintain the dignity of the profession and avoid discrediting it. Focus primarily on client retention. Yes, 38 correct. Oh, give me a big hand, everyone. Everyone is correct in this game. Louder, please. Big applause for you. Okay, next. So, minor changes. Okay, right. And Durai is back with answer SIRC of 3. Who is Durai? Durai. Oh, Ningla. Right, okay, done. Yeah. The principle of confidence requires that a member should not disclose confidential info about the client without proper consent. Use confidence for the personal gain. Share confidential client information with peers. All the above. "19 correct, 17 wrong." This is, I think, ஒரு கேம் ஒழுங்கா விளையாடினா அடுத்த கேம் கொஞ்சம் தூங்கலாம் போலுக்கு. Kamachi is back. Raj has get to the third position. I think this game, Kamachi and Raj has scored more. Next. The evidence available to auditor is dash in nature: pervasive, limited, conclusive, unlimited. "17 are correct." Next. கொஞ்சம் அதாவது எல்லாமே சரியாக பண்ணோன்னே கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே கேஷுவல்னஸ் வந்தாச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, SRV is back suddenly. Very good. 4 participants reached. Very good. SQC1 for a listed entity, engagement partner should rotate every 7 years, 5 years, 1 year, 8 years. SQC1, not Companies Act. Yeah, 28 are correct. Next. What is the number? 7 is the correct. Excellent. Okay, next. So, Kamachi is back. File containing records and data that comprise of audit documentation is known as audit file, working file, engagement file, client file. So, 19 are correct. Sorry, 16 are correct. HK has a strike with 8 answers in the row. All right. Next. Only 4 more questions. Audited immaterial. மேட்டர் இம்மெட்டீரியல் என்ன மாதிரி ஒப்பீனியன் கொடுக்கணும்? You are correct. Yeah, how many are correct? 29. Next. DV is making comeback in third in a row. Next. Internal audit is appointed by whom? Management, government, statutory auditor, concurrent auditor. No, fast. 38. All correct. Give a big hand. முதுகுல நல்லா தட்டலாம். Okay. PK is making comeback with 3 in a row. SRV. Next. Audit engagement is best method of assuring auditor of the following. Sufficient appropriate audit evidence, management representation letter, access to books and accounts vouchers, cooperation from other auditors. So engagement letter. மேடம் முன்னால வந்து உட்காரு. ஓ ரைட். அங்கே ஒரு ஃபேன் முன்னாலே உட்காரு. ஃபேன் இருக்கு பக்கத்தில் உட்காரு. 26 correct. Access to all books, accounts voucher. Next. 12 participants just see the answer of strict 3. Dash guarantee that the financial statement are correct. Management, board of governors, auditor does not. சி எக்ஸாம் நான் வந்துருச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் எல்லாருக்கும். Fifteen correct. Auditor does not guarantee. Does not guarantee for, yeah. Guaranteeing. He is only certifying. Guarantee is different from certification. So you have to be, yes, now let us, Abhishek, can you note down the results? Note down. First is, see, every one of you got your mark in your own mobile, right? You cannot complain that I am favoring somebody. So, third position to Kamakshi, give her a big hand. Second position to Raj. Who is Raj? Yes. First to SRV. Yes, please sir. Okay. Not down button 1 2 3. Right, okay. So now shall we go to the next game? Next game bolama. Next game இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா போக முடியும். Yes or no? True or false? Okay? Right. So அடுத்த game. To game number 2. வெளியே வந்துருக்கு எக்ஸிட் கிட்ட ரெண்டு கேம் 2 இருக்கா? எஸ். இதில் வந்து half a minute 30 seconds தான் இருக்கும். என்ன ஹோஸ்ட் லைவ். சேம். சரி, நியூ பின் நம்பர் 603 25 28 603 25 28. இப்போ உங்கள் ஃபோட்டோவை மாற்றிக்கலாம். என்ன ஃபோட்டோவை மாற்றிக்கலாம், தொப்பியை மாற்றிக்கலாம், கிரீடத்தை மாற்றிக்கலாம். பின்னால் இருக்கவங்க முன்னால் வரலாம், ஸ்க்ரீன் நல்லா தெரியும். கேம் ரன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? ஜஸ்ட் Is it now clear? Yeah. True or false?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. KS has come up, Rama has come up. Mm. 32 correct. Next. See the result. Asik, KSA, Rama, Satish, Raghavendra. Credit card and limit for an auditor. $27 correct, 10 wrong. 1 second. Are you clear with the question? You can hold the credit card. Up to what amount you can have? Limit. You have 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Up to 5 lakhs, no issue. If your outstanding is 5 lakh 1 rupee, then you cease to be auditor. Okay. Sethu has come up, KSA has come up, Soya has come up. RP is making a comeback. Next. Sorry. No, you are right. It is for you only. Not for me. இந்த கேள்விக்கு எல்லாமே I want everyone correct answer. Okay, next. Enjoy. Enjoy, Madi. Next. Satish has come up. Renu has come up. Next. $37 correct. Sorry, 32 correct. Next. Everybody is correct. Good. Give a big hand. Excellent. KSA has come up with fast. Okay. Not guilty. 36 correct. Okay, next. Next. Thirty-six correct. Shadu has come up. Next. 34 correct. Next. RP has come back. Thirty-seven correct. Renu has come back. Sati second position. DHL Singh Lingesh has come back. Thirty-five correct. Okay, next. Fast. 35 correct. Okay. Think differently. Two people are thinking differently. Next. So during the period of non-renewal of membership, except for everybody is right. Next. Slight change in the position. You know what is SA3 3400? Thirty-two are right. Next. Next. Renu is right now top. 27 are correct. Next. Slight change in the position. SME has come. Rechange in the first four people. Twenty-five are correct. தூக்கத்தில் கூட தப்பு பண்ணக்கூடாது. நெக்ஸ்ட். Gift after signing, not before signing. "28 are correct. Hari has come back. "29 are correct. Next. Okay, next. Last 3 questions. So, okay, we'll have one discussion on this. Hold this. So, what is the difference? What is the issue invalid here? பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லை. இல்லை, சரி. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ண, இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் பாதிக்கலைன்னா பண்ணலாம், கரெக்டா? தென் வாட் வி ஷுட் டூ? இன்ஃபார்ம் ஹூம்? Inform whom? You have to inform institute if it is more than 40%. Only condition if your total attestation fees less than 20 lakhs exempt. Clear? If your total attestation fees is less than 20 lakh, the class is not covered. If it is more than 20 lakh, you get fees more than 40% from a single client or group of a client. You have to report it to the institute, that's all. You can accept, there is no bar. You have to report it. Okay? And you have to ensure your independence. All are conditions. Okay? Clear? Next. "34 are correct, or reasonably I think, except one, everybody is correct. Good. Next. So, எல்லாருமே அலர்ட்டா இருக்கிறீங்க, நாட்டு போட்டாலும். Statutory and system audit. So, balance ஆயிருக்கா? 18 and 17. Okay, next. You can accept it. You cannot only do the system implementation. Okay. Check. Note பண்ணிக்கிறீங்களா? So, one second. Third position to SVMV. Second position to Renuka. First position to RP. Give them if you can. So, in the game interesting இருந்ததா? Okay. Did you learn anything? Okay. Okay, good. That is what I want. Okay. So, one more game போலாமா? இதே மாதிரி yes or no தான். இதே 25 question தான். Okay. Next. 3 start பண்ணுது. Yeah. அதில் 3 இருக்கும் பார். So, new number will come. New pin number. Sorry, you are. I'll come that side. 7235829. KS is first. Ethics theory, good. Ethics theory, good. Is everybody is ready? Shall we start the game? New people who can come also can join. Backside, everybody is ready. Another 3 people can join. All, whoever is free also can join. Another 3 people can join. You want help? Come. Okay. Shall we start? Anyone? Okay. Start. Now 39 people. True or false? $25 are correct. SME Sriraj, Asik, Renuga RP. SME with 1000 marks leading. Next. $30 are correct. Renu is coming up fast. Bala has come. Kamakshi has come. Who is Bala? Yes, okay, good. $25 are correct. See, earlier you can have a lean, now no. Old people can think that we can have a lean, now no lean. Quote, they said, Kate. That is what, sun is the highest climber. Now, okay. $32 correct answers. Next. BMK has come back to the 3rd position, VT to the 4th position, K to the 5th position, GK to the 1st position. See how things are getting changed. Correct and accurate and active. Both yes. Next, 4th place, Nika. Who is Nika? Fast, good. 37 are correct. Three in a row. Veena is back in the game. "21 are wrong and balance of this 16 or 18. 18 are correct. Next. KK has come back, KSA has come back, Bala come back. Yes. The highest score this time is Renuka. Renuka has the highest answer streak of 8. Next, last 8 is she has goes. 35 are correct. Next. GK has come back. VMK to the second position. Next. "31 are correct. Next. SRV has come back. 5 participants just his answer. Fast. "34 are correct. Satya has come back. Who is Satya? Good. KSA. Who is KSA? Yes, good. Kamakshi is making a comeback with 3 in a row. This is with respect to member in service. "28 are correct. See, suddenly VMK has come, Sridhar SSK has come. Next. Without proper verification. Except one, everybody is correct. Next. Next. "35. Correct. EMK has come back. Okay. Next. KK is doing very good. Good, fast. $29 are correct. Lakshmanan has come back. Who is Lakshmanan? Yes, good. $31 are correct. Okay. Sun has come back. LUZ is the highest climber this time, up by 3 position. Next. Except 2, everybody is correct. Sun is overtaken by Lakshman. Next. $35 are correct. Renu has the highest answer streak of 18. All the 18s he has come back with the higher score. $37 are correct. Okay, next. $35 are correct. Renuga, all the 20 in the first line. $35 are correct. Three in a row. Satya is back in the game. Next. Only 3 more questions. Kamachi has come back. 3 participants get the answer streak of 6. Next. Good, fast. Good. 36 are correct. Minor changes. Next. Durai is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Last 2 questions, I want you to be very active. $30 are correct. Okay, minor changes. Renu has a streak of 24 answers correct in a row. So last, I think next is the last question. Next, last. 38 or, great, give a big hand. Last question, everybody is correct. Good. Okay. Abhishek, name எடுத்துக்கிறீங்களா? Sridhar SS, third position. GK, second position. First position, guess, Renuka. Okay. Friends, did you enjoy the game? Was it learning or just a game? Learning. That is what I wanted. Because you all know, if I go on speaking in this subject, most of you would have seen your phone rather than hearing me. Am I right? See, any subject you can learn by engaging yourself. That is what I wanted. And relatively, this group, we have actively participated with a speed. Everyone has participated. Even there are group, we waited till 45 minutes because people above 80 also participated. So, to that extent, I am happy. Only one note I want to say. Please follow the code of ethics effectively. What we see today, more than 100 chartered accountants are in jail or bail. That's a fact. So, you have to be very careful. Say tomorrow is going to be, for youngsters, there is going to be a better opportunity. Today seniors may not be getting much price which they deserve it. But future is going to be tough. No one need to compromise. And there will be good fees for the youngsters. Youngsters, you are getting a very good scope. With this, we'll go for the prize distribution. Abhishek. And I thank my partner, Mahalingam, who has come. Friends. Okay. Yes.
Should I announce or you will?
Yeah, you can announce. No problem.
So, game 1, third place, Kamakshi, CA Kamakshi.
You are a big hand. Good. Madam, settle then. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. Good.
Second prize, CA Raj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, settle. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
First prize, CA SRV.
SRV? Yes, sir. Yes. Welcome. Thank you for the participation. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Game 2, SMV. So SMV, third prize.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Second place here, Renuka.
Okay, congrats. Well done. Yes. Okay.
And first place, CARP.
Yes. Thank you. Active participation. Yes.
Final game, game 3. Third place, CASS Sridhar.
Sridhar, yes. Thanks. So enjoy the program? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Second place, CA GK.
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 GK has left, huh?
GK has left.
Okay, reserve for
we
the
will-
next program and going to tour. Keep it bachinga next GK name போட்டு GK full name தெரியுமா? Right, okay.
Knowledgeable person.
Right.
And first position, CA Renuka.
Renuka again. Yes. Once again, thank you. Thank you for the active participation. Okay. Thank you. Another 10 minutes.
So, thank you very much to one and all for a really, really wonderful presentation. Please give a huge round of applause. Kuthalingam sir. So, what I can say is that, one member had asked me outside that what is the risk if somebody wants to just raise a complaint against me just because they don't like me. What I can assure you is our institute has very, very firm practices. We have, sir had covered already board of discipline, then disciplinary council, but we also have a disciplinary officer. So if someone does not like you, they want to just give a complaint like that, it will not be just accepted by the institute and action will not be taken. Do not worry about that. There is a very, very clear process which is set in place, and that will ensure that only people who are deserving of some action or certain, observations to be made into, only they will be taken. So please do not fear that it will be just, institute will just blatantly accept it. There's a very, by the time it comes to board of discipline, it would have gone through almost 3 levels of verification, and you can be assured that if it has come to that level, then something must be there that requires either serious action or serious defending. So don't worry about that at all. Thank you very much, sir, for entertaining this really in an entertaining manner in a topic which is can be slightly little bit serious or can be considered boring. So thank you for your valuable time. He has traveled all the way from Hosur and he is staying overnight just to give this. So once again, thank you, and thank you all for staying and actively participating. So thank you very much and wish you a good day. Thank you.